Hello, my name is Kelly Bullard. I'm a sophomore bioengineering major in the Science and Global Change College Park Scholars Program at the University of Maryland. In this video, I will be giving a quick overview of what I did for my practicum project for this program. During the summer of 2024, I joined Dr. John Fisher's Tissue Engineering and Biomaterials Laboratory in the Fischl Department of Bioengineering here at UMD. This lab builds bioprinted models of human tissues using biologically derived materials and living cells, which can be used to help study diseases, test treatments, or create replacements for damaged or missing tissue. My research specifically focused on developing a 3D bioprinted model of the human placenta to study gestational diabetes. Due to ethical concerns surrounding the study of the placenta during pregnancy, the placenta is a bit difficult to research in a direct way, so building a model is important for testing how different conditions could affect pregnancy at various stages. However, we want to make sure this model is as realistic as actual placental functions as possible, which is where my project comes in. My project looked at how different extracellular matrix, or ECM, compositions affect the behavior of BWO cells, a cell line that behaves similarly to placental cells. Essentially, this means that I'm trying to identify the best environment to grow our placental model by testing which one produces the most realistic results. To do this, I did a lot of hands-on lab work, including culturing cells under different ECM conditions, isolating the RNA and synthesizing it into cDNA, and then running various QRT-PCR experiments on the cDNA to analyze gene expression. From there, I compared the results to see which conditions would give us the most accurate model. One of the biggest things I learned from this practicum experience was how to troubleshoot and adapt quickly when things didn't go as planned. Additionally, I was able to practice my reading and understanding of scientific papers, and overall, I gained a much deeper appreciation for how scientific knowledge is actually created. We're also used to reading information from a textbook, but there's something really special about actually playing a role in the process. Additionally, for other scholars interested in pursuing research as a practicum project, I would recommend being really persistent. This lab was certainly not the only one I applied to, but it was one of the only ones that ever got back to me. So don't be afraid to cold email researchers you're interested in working with, and don't be afraid to be annoying or a thorn in their side, because that's the only way they'll ever pay attention to you. The worst thing they can say is no, so it doesn't ever hurt to ask if you're interested. Thank you so much for watching!